For my graduation. This is in like basically almost the identical makeup routine that I did and for another event for graduation, and it looked really good in pictures. So if it's not broke, not fixing it. I woke up and I have really bad cramps, so that's not fun. This may look scary, but trust the process. For some reason, I don't really worry about like how my makeup looks when I photograph it, because I can tell if there's gonna be flashback while I'm doing my makeup. Oh, so my skin prep with like 4 toners, mostly Cosrx, and then I went in with the Glow Recipe. And I used Patrick Ta foundation duo, and I'm using that right now to just set everything. And then I went in with Morphe 2 and Morphe Blur Filter foundations in case anyone cared. And then I went in with the e.l.f. found concealer in white. But yeah, I'm just setting this powder is so beautiful. So beautiful. I think it's perfect to set like your highlight. I probably should have did this before I did my concealer. It's not even gonna be like a really like thing eye. I just want like something on the outer corner. It's gonna be a smoky eye, but I want like a line at the outer corner. And that's why the tape is there for like dramatic effect, essentially. I'm going in with black just to deepen it up. Luckily, I don't have to leave for like 2 hours ish. So, yeah. I'm just gonna build up the black and then like diffuse this in the middle. So, I'm just going in with like a skin tone shade and then, yeah. I think this, did it kind of look the same? I'm not sure. Scared. I want to put like a little bit of silver, but I don't have any like powders that are like light powders. Do you know what I mean? So like I took some and I did that. I just want something soft. Yeah, kind of like that. Like really light. I put on the eyelashes. I like how like it's, yeah, I like how the silver looks. I don't want it like I want like a soft glam essentially, but I'm gonna go in and put black underneath here, and then I'm gonna go in with a lighter pencil and like actually like baby doll my eyes. Cause I'm a baby doll. Yeah, the look is coming together. I kind of fixed my brows. I got them darted, so like I want them thicker than this. Just to make my eyes pop. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. I'm putting on this Sol de Janeiro like bronze thing on my chest. So I'm wearing a blazer, but I like, I still want to glow. I feel like the contrast is gonna be so different from like my face and then my face being silver, my body being gold. And then I'm baking with the Laura Mercier blur powder. I'm just gonna let that sit for however long since I'm done early. Found the e.l.f. like shadow thing that I use, but I'm still not impressed with my brows. So yeah, I just cleaned them up a little bit at the top, kind of like a halo brow, but like, and at the bottom to try to like build a shape. I put my press-ons on and I'm putting on my hair. and just see what it's working with. Okay, this is girl to girl set. I don't know how I want my hair. Maybe a side part. I'm so glad I did this. So simple. I have to comb my hair and these should last a good bit. Baby hairs. Oh. I'm gonna show you guys my cap. The hair is done. I'm gonna pin this on my head. So yeah, I like the look. I like the hair.